Y'all doing today? We're going to be inspecting and discharging, vacuuming, and recharging an AC system on a vehicle today. We've got a Robinair recovery machine here that we're going to use. So hopefully y'all can follow along and learn something. All right, we're looking at our high pressure service port right here. We're making sure there's no dirt or debris down inside of it. And the valve looks good. Got our low pressure service port back here, and that little ring around it indicates that there was dye in this system originally. There is a leak in this system somewhere. So that's why we're recovering and then vacuuming it down to find out where it's at. We got our Robinair machine here. We're gonna inspect our hoses on it here in just a minute and make sure everything is good to go. This is our high pressure service hose. Make sure there's no dirt, debris in there and it functions properly. This is our low pressure service port. Make sure that one functions properly and it's clean and serviceable. We're gonna make sure that our service port connector is closed right now. We'll go ahead and lock it down on there. And we can actually go ahead and open it up. Use two fingers and open it up very gently. All right, we're going to take our low pressure port and stick it down in here. And do the same thing. There we go. Open that up with two fingers. It's locked in. All right, so we got our machine hooked up, showing pressure on our gauges. Of course, it's really low because, like I said, this system's got a leak in it. So we're going to go over here. We're going to hit our recover button.
You gotta do the change oil.
We're not changing the oil. Hit the recover button. All right. Don't want to replace the filters right now. Go ahead and open our valves. And the machine will start to work. Y'all can see our machine is in a recovery process right now. It's going to take 4 minutes supposedly, give or take a little bit. But it's just doing what it's got to do here. See, we're done with our recovery process. We only got 4 ounces out because that's only about all I put in it to check the compressor and make sure everything was good. So we're going to go ahead and move on to the next step. All right. This should take us back. We're good there. We're going to go ahead and set this thing to do a vacuum. Not changing the oil. I'm going to put it up to 15 minutes on this. Yeah, 15 minutes. We'll hit our start button. And there it goes, it's vacuuming. 15 minutes elapsed. All right, as you can see, we've elapsed a couple of minutes off of our timer here. And we're down to around 29 pounds negative pressure vacuum on our gauges here. So once this thing elapses, it will have to set for a few minutes, and that will let us know if there's a leak in the system. All right, as you can see, we've got our vacuum complete. And our needle's actually moved up a little bit, so we're going to let it sit for about 5 minutes and see if it completely loses the vacuum or not, and go from there. Well, as y'all can see from that last clip, when I charged it up and put the dye in the system, there is a heck of a leak inside the evaporator. So, yeah, I'm going to have to be replacing that. Hopefully this video was educational and y'all learned something. Thanks for watching.